Hey guys, I'm so excited to show you my brand new Cricut Explore Air 2 cutting machine. I'm really excited to show you my very first project that I've made. Spoiler alert, it's basic. I had never used a Cricut before, so for my very first project, I wanted to do something simple. My daughter loves name stickers, so I created some for her in Cricut Design Space. Here's how I did it. Okay, so I have made my name stickers. I have them all listed right here. And I'm going to come over here and click on Make It. Okay, so I have one row, but I want to use up the whole sticker page. So I'm going to come down here, change this to letter, come up here and click, I want six copies, apply. Oops, I'm going to change this again. And there we go. So now you've got a full page of stickers. Okay, so that looks the way we want to. So I'm going to click on Continue. It's looking for my Cricut. There we go. And then this is where you can change the material that you are cutting. At Explore Air 2, you can customize the settings on the turn dial. Just turn it to custom, and then the design space will allow you to choose what kind of material you are cutting or using. The paper for these stickers was pretty thick, so I went ahead and used the cardstock setting. Then design space will tell you what to do next. It tells us to load the tools in the mat in, so it tells us which pen to use first. So I went ahead and loaded in my pink pen, but first you need to open up your Explorer 2. Just push the button. And here's my pink pen. I'm going to go ahead and load that into slot A. It's really easy. You just push the pen down until it clicks, and then push that lever over. Next, you're going to want to load your mat into the machine. So you do that by pushing it forward, coming over to the machine, and pushing the flashing arrows. And that will load it into the machine. Once the mat is loaded, you're going to push the flashing Cricut sign on your machine, and your project is going to start. The Cricut software will tell you when you need to change your pen color. It's really simple. You just open up the flap, take out the pink pen, put in the black pen, push down, secure it, and again, push the flashing Cricut sign. And then it will continue using a different color. Do this for all your colors, and then it will start cutting. When you're done, unload the mat, and there are your stickers. Overall, I'm pretty excited about how these turned out. Yes, it was basic, but it was a perfect project for me to start out and to learn more about my Explore Air 2.